Beauty comes naturally to the French, or so I have heard, and some of the finest beauty solutions are born out of France, just like the brand that we are about to present to you, Spa Dunia. For several years, the company Spa Dunia has designed and manufactured its own organic care products using essential oils and aiming at well-being through colors. Spa Dunia's treatments are a collection of deeply beneficial treatments with a variety to meet the needs of each guest, beginning with a private therapist color consultation in order to determine each individual's current state of well-being. The treatments are then tailored to each guest in order to leave the body, mind and soul in perfect harmony. This is a new concept in organic spas that draws its inspiration from a frequent request for the widest possible well-being care and overall answer to daily attacks that the body and mind are subjected to in our polluted and stressful environment. Spa Dunia was established in the midst of an open vineyard and refreshing sunflower fields, and all guests who go to Spa Dunia for treatments have left feeling the pureness of nature.
Dr. Bach, born in London, and it's a famous doctor, and he discovered and he worked all his life on the power of the flowers. And the flowers is something natural, and it's a completely concern now regarding our cosmetic.
Spa Dunia is actually an experience in color. The color experience is an experience, it's your journey into color. Color has been used from ancient times for your well-being. It was used in the Indian tradition, in the Chinese tradition, in the native Indian tradition, in the Egyptian tradition. Colors were used for well-being. It is all going into your body with the products, with the color. It's going into your body through the sense of smell. The product is very innovative, very different. The sense of smell, you take it in through to the brain and into the body where it's needed. So the effect of color is experienced immediately.
And as usual, we are giving you the opportunity to experience this too. 5 lucky winners can win a voucher worth 390 dirhams each just by answering this simple question. And the question is, where is Spa Dunia located? A. JBR, B. JLT, C. Jumeirah. Send in your answers to our Facebook fan page now. And that brings me to our next beauty and wellness solution. Once again, born out of France, LPG, a brand who stands for the belief that every woman and man must respect their body. Something I hold very dear to my heart too. LPG is a French company. It stands for Louis Paul Guittet, who is the inventor of the Cellu M6. LPG has been in the market for 25 years, and their treatments have been validated by more than 85 scientific studies. Cellu M6 is the only machine in the market which is 100% natural, and it's proven to reduce and remove cellulite, the orange peel effect, firm, resculpt the body, break fat, reduce fine lines and wrinkles on the face, and treat scars. The sky is the limit with what Cellu M6 can do to enhance your beauty. This year, LPG celebrates its 25th anniversary by opening the first LPG Endermo Spa in the Middle East, and this is located right here in Dubai on Jumeirah Beach Road, Suqeim 1. LPG Endermo Spa is the first French spa that's dedicated primarily to slimming, beauty and wellness. So the beautiful people of Dubai can only get more beautiful.
We are 25 years of experience and expertise regarding beauty and wellness treatments. Louis Paul Guittet is a true success story. In 1985, Louis Paul Guittet had a life-changing experience. a devastating injury that forced him to endure cervical spine rehabilitation. During his excruciating, prolonged physical rehabilitation session, Louis-Paul Guittet began to fantasize about helping the therapist by mechanizing his protocols for greater consistency. Little did he know he was mere steps away from the answer. In his hometown in Valence, in France, Louis-Paul Guittet designed the first working prototype of Celluem 6. Immediately, the effectiveness of the process was amazing.
I loved it. I had the endermal lift done to my face and lipomassage to my body. It felt like a deep tissue massage. I love LPG and I am so happy that they opened the endermal spa in Dubai and they made a believer out of me.
Can you imagine that every day 100,000 people, clients and patients are treated by LPG all around the world every day?
And just so that you can get a taste of this experience, we are giving one immensely lucky viewer a gift voucher from LPG Endermo Spa worth 1,800 dirhams. All you need to do is answer this question. And the question is, where is the first LPG Endermo Spa in the Middle East located? A. Jumeirah Beach Road, Suqeim 1. B. DIFC. C. Healthcare City. Send in your answers on Facebook fan page now. So now we all know the real reason why French women just don't get fat. Think about it while we take a short break. I'll see you in a bit. Coming up after the break, we have a